Once upon a time, there was a kid named Science Sam. Sam loved learning about how things work and was always asking questions. Every day felt like a new adventure as he explored the amazing world around him. One sunny morning, Sam looked up at the sky and wondered, "Why is the sky blue?" He really wanted to know, so he went to the library and found a book about light and colors. "Aha!" Sam said as he read that sunlight is made up of many colors. When the sunlight passes through the air, it scatters, and blue light scatters more than the others. That's why the sky looks blue. "That's so cool." Sam smiled. On another day, Sam saw that the plants in his neighbor's garden were growing toward the sun. "Why do they grow like that?" he asked. He grabbed a magnifying glass, took a closer look at the leaves, and found a book about gardening. He read about photosynthesis, how plants make their own food using sunlight. Plants grow toward the sun to get more light and make more food, Sam explained. But Sam's biggest adventure happened right in his own backyard. While digging in the dirt, he found something hard. It was a fossil. "Whoa! Did dinosaurs live here?" Sam shouted. He grabbed his notebook and pencil and started learning more. Fossils, he found out, are like time machines. They tell the stories of animals and plants that lived millions of years ago. All of these adventures helped Sam see that the world is full of fun and amazing things to explore. And when you keep asking questions and love learning new things, you can discover the answers to even the biggest mysteries. Sam decided he wanted to become a scientist when he grew up. So next time you're curious about something, think of Science Sam, and keep asking questions. Like, share and subscribe to NISJKT Universe for more fun learning stories.